Show with David Letterman. Tonight, Diane Sawyer. And from the OC, Benjamin McKenzie. Plus Paul Schaefer and the CBS Orchestra. And now, dancer, gymnast,
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Paul Schaefer. Is he great or what? I love that guy. Isn't he great? And doesn't he look like Alan Zarevsky? You're probably wondering, why are we here tonight? Well, I'll tell you. Back at the studios, back at CBS, there was a leaky roof. So we moved out here to Sons of Israel in Cherry Hill because we wanted to make sure that our audience doesn't get rained on. Now, the top 10. This is Rabbi Epstein's speech from last Shabbos. Now, the top 10. Okay, tonight's category is the top 10 things you'll never see at Congregation Sons of Israel. Number 10, a petition to make Shabbos and Yom Tov services longer. I don't think we're going to see that. Okay. Number 9, a Torah learning program at which no food is served. That's none. No food, no eating. Number 8, a committee on which Helen Baker does not sit. That will never happen, I can assure you. Number 7, a solid 10-foot high brick wall mechitza. Number 6, a concert run by Cantor Isaac B. Horowitz that features Janet Jackson and Justin Timberlake as the headline performers. Headline performers there. Number 5, 3 consecutive years without Sid Goldberg as president. Okay, number 4, an impoverished person getting more than one aliyah a year. Is that a typo? It should be maybe a decade. Okay. Number 3, a tzedakah box for, get this, the Young Israel of Cherry Hill. Tzedakah box for them. Number 2, a Shabbaton featuring Mellon Hutton Gibson as the scholars in residence. Holocaust deniers. And the number 1 thing you'll never see at Congregation Sons of Israel is a membership dues rebate, where you get the money back. When we come back, our special musical guest, the Jews Brothers.